And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. Yeah, the roads look slick, don't they? That's wet out there. We've got a rain-snow combination happening right now. Our wind direction has changed. Our temperature has fallen. We did hit 6 degrees at 1 p.m. and we were down to -7 at 8 a.m. We're now at 0, and our winds have shifted to the northwest from the west. So this low-pressure center that has scooted across the mountains is impacting parts of southern Alberta in the form of some drizzle, some light shower activity, some flurries in some areas as well. Temperatures are starting to take a hit. We're not the only location that's at 0 right now, and even across the Continental Divide, looking at Cranbrook at 0 right now too. What we have is this little low pressure center that's just scooted across and kind of developed as it moved, pushed off the mountains and made its way into southern Alberta, sank as it slid down the lee side of the mountains, and we're getting some precipitation. We talked about this yesterday, that there was so much snowfall that was happening at the higher elevations in BC that all it takes is that wind direction shift to push some of that into southern Alberta, and that's just exactly what happened. Here we are looking at the forecaster earlier today, saw some pockets of precipitation skipping off to the north and to the southeast, and as this loop continues, you see that the possibility of that into tomorrow ceases really. In the afternoon hours, we're looking at a sun and cloud mix because we get back into a westerly flow, so things are looking pretty good for tomorrow. But tonight, right now, we're seeing that light snowfall mixed with some rain, and we could see a continuation of that overnight tonight while the direction is still out of the north-northwest. Get back to the west and things will start to dry out again. 0 in St. John's with some snow right now. Now we've got freezing rain warnings all the way from southern Ontario to about, right along the Quebec-Ontario border, and then it shifts to winter storm warnings. That extends into New Brunswick, and then you've got that light snowfall in the Atlantic section of Canada, and that's because of that flow out of that serious situation coming out of Texas in the panhandle there, causing tornadoes. 0 in Winnipeg right now, fairly cloudy across the prairies, -2 in Regina, -4 in Saskatoon, -2 in Edmonton right now, and Vancouver actually had quite a sunny day today, a little bit of cloud cover in the mix. Up north, looking at wind chill values up in Tuktoyaktuk are going to be down towards -45 overnight tonight, and Whitehorse and Yellowknife looking at some drifting snow and some light snowfall in the overnight hours. East Kootenay, you're looking at a chance of flurries tonight down to -10. Tomorrow, mainly sunny skies for you, -1 for a daytime high. Southwest winds at 20. For the Crow's Nest Pass, looking at partly cloudy skies tonight with that mix of snow rain possibility as well prior to midnight. -7 for a low. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, windy in the afternoons, -2 for a high. Medicine Hat looking at cloudy tonight with a chance of that flurry activity in your area as well. -8 degrees for a low. Sun and cloud mix and 0 for a high tomorrow, and yeah, gusting to 60 in the afternoon for you. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at possibility of precipitation on and off during the evening and overnight hours, but by tomorrow afternoon, we should be seeing a nice healthy sun and cloud mix. Winds will pick up in the afternoon. They'll be gusting to about 80 kilometers per hour, and we'll get to 2 degrees for a daytime high. There's your 5-day forecast. Things start to look really stable as we head into the latter part of the weekend. Look at that, 9 degrees for a high as we get into Sunday. Monday and Tuesday are looking pretty healthy as well.